Hello guys, my name is Ron and welcome to the third vlog of the Noisy Chef. For today's episode guys, gagawa tayo ng dalawang burger. Yes guys, we are making two burger, which is chicken and the beef. To make it more exciting, I'm gonna add triple cooked chips sa side ng fish natin. So grab your pen and paper and let's start. I'm gonna start this dish by preparing my potato. We need to peel the potato first. After peeling the potato, we want to prepare them by cutting them into wedges. What we want to do with this potato is to boil them till they become soft. I will normally do that one by 10 till 15 minutes, but you have to keep an eye on it. The first stage of how to cook the potato is done, and we're now ready for the second stage. I'm going to put a new set of tray in here with some white roll. Once my potatoes are done, I can transfer them in here and leave them to rest for 5 minutes at room temperature and leave them in my fridge to chill down. While waiting for our lovely potato in the fridge, we can now jump with our meat. I'm gonna start with the chicken. Crush and add your garlic in a bowl of yogurt. Some chicken stock in it. Chili powder. And paprika powder as well. I'm gonna add some salt in it. And some pepper. Mix it up. We can now put our chicken inside the marinade. Make sure that the chicken is soaking with the marinade. I'm going to put this chicken in my fridge and leave it there for 2 hours. Make sure it's covered tightly as well with a cling film. Right, next is our beef. I'm gonna start putting the cooked onion in it. Add half of this egg. Drop some salt in it. And a bit of pepper. Just mix this one well using your hand. We're now done preparing our potatoes and the meat. What we can do now is prepare all the vegetable or the salads that we need for the burgers. It's been 2 hours since we put our chicken in the fridge. We're now ready to cook everything and start building our burgers. Let's do it! My chicken and beef burger is ready. Coleslaw is done. Chips are almost there. My bacon looks really stunning. I got my lettuce and tomato sorted. We're ready for building the burgers. And there you have it. Chicken and beef burger with triple cooked chips. Divine. Hey guys, thanks all for tuning. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to leave a like and a comment down below and hit the subscribe button for more cooking updates. And I'll see you all next time for the next cooking session of the Noisy Chef. Bye!